This 2007 Forest River Cardinal LE 36-2BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 65 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.